Hi, this is me. My name is Mother Nature, and I just love to look down on Earth and just look at all the people. But when I see people getting evil, then the wrath of Mother Nature comes out. I bring you rain, and wind, and then I disappear, and then I come back. I bring you cold, and I bring you hot. So if you all are good, you have perfect 75 to 80 degree weather all year round, but no one can be good all the time, I guess, so I have to keep punishing. So enjoy the horrible winter we're going to have. It's going to be freezing like an ice age. Bye.